here, another day, another side hustle for you to do. Now, again, I'm only going to be showing you a side hustle that I know of. I know it works. I've done it before. I've seen other people do it, and a lot of top freelancers have actually started on here and have built their own agencies using this platform. So let's check it out right now. It is actually called Upwork. So if you haven't heard of Upwork, Upwork is basically a place where businesses or business owners will leave their gigs. You can go out and apply to do these gigs or these jobs for them. The cool thing is you can do them using your own experiences. And you can actually apply for these things even if you don't have the exact experience or the exact, I guess, prerequisites that these employers are looking for. Most of these are contract jobs or they'll pay you hourly. So I'm just going to actually show you what it is. So all you have to do is go to upwork.com and you'll be able to see different categories plus tons more: legal, HR. There's others such as translating documents. But basically, these people are looking for someone to do the job for them. They don't have all the time in the world, so they're looking to hire someone else. So they are outsourcing basically. It's pretty easy to actually create an account. All you have to do is sign up right here. Everything is straightforward. Of course, it's going to be asking your personal information. It's going to be asking you to upload a professional photo, to fill out a little profile about yourself. But it's just to make yourself stand out to employers or business owners. Now, of course, you don't have to be an expert in all of this. You can learn as you go. Let me log in for you because I already have an account and I want to show you how you can make an extra $30 an hour, 40 or 50. Some will even give you contract jobs that will land you six-figure contracts. I know people personally that have landed those contracts. I myself have not been that lucky or that blessed or that talented to do that. I have landed other ones that had maybe $30 an hour, $40 an hour, $50 an hour. And for some people that's a change that's like that's everything for them. I mean, some people right now are getting paid $15 an hour and they're struggling. So you can actually go and look for these gigs right here and get paid $30 an hour, $40 an hour. Now you may be asking, okay, how do I report this? This is basically something you're gonna still have to report on your taxes. It's getting paid. You're trading in a little bit of time for some services so you can get paid. So let me log in right here. I already have my account set up. I'm gonna log right in. And as you can see, I already have my profile. I specialize in digital marketing, basically doing with the affiliate marketing, email marketing. If you haven't known already, you can check out the past the past videos that I've created that talk all about that. But basically, I specialize in creating content, being a marketer for companies, and getting paid referral fees. On my profile, I put more than 30 hours a week working. I wanted this to be public. My category, of course, is sales and marketing. But when you're doing this, make sure you have a clear cut profile picture and you will actually have jobs recommended to you based on your interests. So if yours is software engineering, you'll get other matches right here based on that. But again, you don't have to be in any type of digital marketing. You could start with any category, such as translating. Translating. I'm just going to look that up right there. Look at that. Translator, interpreter needed ASAP. So the only thing is, this person right here, their payment isn't verified. So it shows that they haven't really hired anybody. They're pretty brand new. I don't feel good applying with them. It may be an interesting job. You may want to take a chance, but not me. I want to go for somebody that is verified, that is proven to pay the people that they hire. So rewrite 4,000 words. A native English speaker is required. All right, I want to check that out. Specialized profiles. Let's see right here. Need a few articles rewritten. Very nice. Some people don't like to show their face or do any of that. They love typing. This is for you. Total word count is about 4,000 words. They're giving you 5 to 7 day turnaround time. Look at that. I'm looking for a mix of experience and value. These are some skills that they want people to know. Again, you don't have to be an expert in it as long as you're willing to actually go out and do the work. I mean, act confident. Be confident. I landed jobs where my prerequisites didn't exactly line up with the career I was going into, but because I was confident and willing to learn, the employer would hire me. As long as you're confident, you don't have to know everything right now, as long as you're willing to learn the skills. So, here we go. These are just some people. Hira Khan has been extremely helpful to me as a newbie, giving me pointers and always available for consultation. We'll work with her again. So, these are just the client's recent history. It shows they have a good track record, it shows that they'll pay. We can go find another one. Professional Spanish translator. You don't have to be an English speaker to do this. In search of an English to Spanish translation of a multi-page website. So all you're doing is translating a website. It's a mortgage lending company. So knowledge of a professional Spanish is a must. Cool. They're looking for somebody that is an expert. Again, if you're not an expert, don't feel that you cannot be fit for this job. You can be fit for this job. This is a contract term. They're willing to pay at least a month. You're going to be working less than 30 hours a week and get paid $23 to $42 an hour. That's pretty cool. Let's see here. Let's look at the feedback. I love working on projects for Josh and the Resident 360 team. Awesome. Loved working on this project. Looking forward to more work from this client in the future. Cool. They got paid 90. This person right here got paid 780. So you know that they're willing to spend some money to get things done. So what you have to do is submit a proposal. Submit a proposal. I'm going to click on that button. It's going to basically tell me the same things again. It's looking for the terms. Now, you can actually put the hourly rate that you want to get paid. So they're willing to pay $23 to $42. I'm just going to say I want to get paid $38 because Upwork is going to take away a service fee. So at the end, I'm going to get paid $30 an hour. I don't know about you, but that seems pretty damn good. That's actually more of an hourly rate that I got paid working as a teacher. Now, cover letter. Cover letter. Basically right here, what you want to write is something about you, how you can help this person. That is what you're going to need to be doing here. Now, I'm going to be giving you an example of my cover letter. There's going to be a link in the description that you can check it out. You can use it as your own. I've landed gigs using this exact same cover letter, but feel free to check it out. I'll leave that in the description. After that, you just have to submit a proposal. The cool thing is that Upwork gives you a certain amount of applications you can fill out. So they give you points. I believe it's like 50 points. And like this one counts as 2 connects. So if you have 50 connects and you apply for this job, you're going to use up 2 of them. You'll have 48 left. So that doesn't sound like too big of a exchange, you know. It's pretty doable. I can look for more. Again, it doesn't have to just be translation. It can be anything. Funnels. I like to do funnels. I like to create lookalike websites. So I'm going to look up funnels. Somebody needs help with ClickFunnels. Look at that. But they're not verified. I don't want to really work with them. You can do virtual assisting. Awesome. Direct sales. Email marketing. I mean, there are tons and tons of categories here. Legal. E-filing. Look at that. Get paid $10 to $23. And this is awesome because these tasks you can do at your own pace. You usually don't have a set hour to get things done. The company will usually say, you know what, as long as you get it done in 5 days, that's all that matters. So you get to do this on your own time. You don't have to clock in to do any of this. So what's cool about it is you can actually create your own set schedule. So let's say you don't want to work a 9 to 5, a regular 9 to 5. You can actually fill up your schedule doing different tasks such as these and get paid, as you can see, anywhere from $10 to $100. Again, some people will give you a contract where you can make six figures. If you've liked this video so far, guys, don't forget to drop me a like. If you haven't already and you like this content, please subscribe to my channel because I'm giving out a lot of value every day to help people like you get ahead in life. I'm doing this to benefit you. Now, let's say, okay, you know what, Sergio, I don't want to trade my time anymore. I want to get paid passively. Let's say you want to do that. Let's say you're like, okay, I'm tired of trading my time for money. I work so many hours as it is. I want something that I can do passively. Look, if you're looking to something that you can do passively, literally, let's say you work 1 to 2 hours a day at this, and you can make $1,000 by the end of the month. What do you say about that? You can actually learn to do what I do and market other people's products, get paid referral fees by referring other people's products. If that's something you'd like to do, you can get paid anywhere from $1,000 to $1,300 just by referring someone to a company. If you want to learn more information about that, I'm going to be leaving a link down in the description. The beauty of it is, all you're doing is referring someone to that customer or to that company, I'm sorry, and that company does all the heavy lifting. You wake up one day, you can earn $1,000. It's possible. So if you want to look into that, I will leave the link down in the description below. That is the exact company that I have worked with to earn over $50,000 with, and that actually gave me the confidence and the skills and the tools that I needed in order to quit my job. So go check it out. Go check it out. And guys, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, let's go back and look at a little bit more of this. So you can actually look at expert level jobs, intermediate, entry level. You can actually say how much you want to get paid. Let's keep on looking. I want to find some work. Let's say you don't have a job right now. This is something you can look into, and you can do it anywhere as long as you have internet connection. Let's look at design. I want to look at design. Okay. A graphic designer. Look at that. Get paid to design flyers, ebooks. Maybe you're good with creating logos. This person has paid over $100,000. Look at that. All they need is existing logo that needs editing. Look at that. That's awesome. Now, one cool thing I have not mentioned is, let's say you don't know how to do any of this designing. You can actually go out and find someone else to do this for you. So you can land the gig, get paid maybe, $100. Go out and pay someone else $10 to design the logo for you. That's $90 profit for you. So as you can see, the possibilities to earn money are endless. You just have to go out there and get it. So my name's Sergio. My channel is Sixto Elite. If you haven't already, drop a like, subscribe to my channel. And again, if you want something that's more passive, I'm going to leave the link down in the description for you to check out. And if you have any other questions or you want to check something out, drop a comment. I will make a video about it. So I will see you guys later. Again, good luck.